Living in Pensacola, Florida means high humidity year-round, and that creates the perfect environment for mold. If you've spotted mold in your home, here's what to do right away. 1. Don't ignore it. Mold isn't just ugly. It can damage your property and cause health issues like allergies, coughing, and breathing problems. The sooner you take action, the better. 2. Find the source of moisture. Mold grows where there's water. Look for roof leaks, plumbing problems, or areas with poor ventilation. Even everyday humidity can trigger mold growth here in Pensacola. 3. Contain it safely. Don't dry scrub mold. That spreads spores through the air. If the mold patch is small, you can clean it yourself with gloves, a mask, and the right cleaner. 4. Call the professionals. If the mold keeps coming back, or it covers a large area, it's time to bring in experts. Professional mold remediation ensures the mold is removed safely and the moisture source is fixed. 5. Prevent it from returning. Use dehumidifiers, run your AC, and keep good airflow in your home. After heavy Florida rains or storms, always inspect your property for leaks or damp areas. If you're dealing with mold in Pensacola, don't wait. At Quality Properties of Northwest Florida LLC, we buy houses in any condition, even with mold problems. Call us today at 850-346-4995 or visit www.qualitypropertiescashbuyer.com for a fast, no-obligation cash offer. Protect your health, protect your home, and let us take the stress off your shoulders.